So I'm here on Tybee Island, which is on US Highway 80. Comes right out of Savannah. Now, this place started as an ice cream shop, but this guy is a trained chef, and he says, I'm gonna take it a different direction. You're gonna love the name, though. This is Sundae Cafe.
Order up buffalo shrimp nachos.
It really is the local hot spot.
And it's cooked up by a Tybee native, AJ Baker, who couldn't leave well enough alone with just an ice cream shop, so he flexed his culinary muscle.
We specialize in low country cuisine. We try to use as much of the fresh local vegetables and local seafood that we can get here.
He'll take every day something and turn it into a fine dining experience.
Got a down south grilled cheese.
Got pork belly, got American cheese, chicken breast, collard greens, and Alabama white sauce. It is a lot of sandwich.
Well, let's get into this.
We're gonna brine our pork belly. Start with some cold water, apple juice, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, pickling spice, dill, crushed red pepper, hot sauce, kosher salt.
And a bunch of garlic.
Cook this brine for about 45 minutes, ice it down, and put our pork belly in. Chill it for about 2 days, and it's ready to smoke. Now we're gonna make our collard greens.
Collard greens and grilled cheese?
Yeah, we're in the South. A little oil, diced onion, pork belly, apple cider vinegar, just a tiny bit of water, black pepper, brown sugar, kosher salt, granulated garlic, hot sauce,
Tiny bit.
a little sweet chili sauce.
And a bunch of greens.
Cover them, bring it to boil, and then let it simmer for about 2 hours.
Next up.
Alabama white sauce for our sandwich.
Now, why do you call it Alabama white sauce?
It's mayonnaise-based.
I thought Georgia had their own thing about not being
Well, we'll
Alabama.
call it Tybee white sauce then.
There you go.
Some mayonnaise in a bowl. We're gonna add apple cider vinegar, a little grain mustard, brown sugar, horseradish,
A good amount.
Worcestershire, hot sauce, granulated onion,
And garlic.
house-made Cajun seasoning, black pepper, a little lime juice.
Whisk that up.
We're gonna just season our flour to dredge the chicken. Seasoning salt, a little black pepper, kosher salt, cayenne pepper, garlic powder. There we go. We're gonna take a double lobe chicken breast. We're gonna buttermilk it.
And then
back in the
buttermilk
flour.
again. All this is just for one thing. This must be one great sandwich.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
We're gonna start by toasting our bread and add a little cheese, searing off our smoked pork belly. Just a tiny bit of pork belly, fried chicken, a little bit of these collard
You're not
greens.
serious.
Serious. Alabama white sauce. We're gonna top it off. That's it.
This is so not even close to being a grilled cheese. There's just a whisper of cheese. I know I'm gonna end up wearing some of this sandwich. The fried chicken is spot on. The pork belly is so tender and delicious. The collard greens are money. The Tybee white sauce is delicious. Acid and fat, that little bit of that horseradish coming through. Outstanding. I mean, like, really a great sandwich.
All right, we got it down south out. Let's go.
You can't go wrong with pork belly and chicken.
I mean, it's got a lot of flavors going on in it.